probably the single most important item that you replace and buy every time on a refrigerator is the water filter. Can't get away with this, otherwise your refrigerator will not function quite good. Okay, in this case we have this Samsung French door refrigerator, and we bought this last December, and it's only May, and the filter's now flashing red to be replaced. Now, how come it only lasted us 5 months when in fact it was advertised that it will last, the filter would last 6 months, and it did not. So, needless to say, we have to replace. And opening up the French door, you can see it's a rapid ice maker on, and the filter is red, and this is the filter. And in order to take this out, you'll have to turn this sideways, and then it's out. This is the hook that is in the refrigerator. So this is the original Samsung water filter, and this in itself costs you like it will cost you like $45 to $52 on if you buy this Samsung water filter. And this is the model number, the replacement number, and the system number. Now, I bought a replacement filter. This 3 filters is about $28. This single filter is, as I said, $45 to $52 on a Samsung brand at Samsung. However, I noticed that both of the components are the same. So why would I buy one that's you're paying for the name, and for one that's the same thing, only it has no brand whatsoever? So let's open up this one and see the same size, and it even has a cap. Same. Now it came in with this, so I'll just put June because it's already 30. Now I'll put this here, make sure that I have this installed in June. Okay, now let's go back. This is the old one, this is the new one, and this is, let's see, this one fits from here. Wow, perfect fit. And then you have to press this thing here. Three seconds. Now it's open. Okay, it's out, and then door alarm again. See, now it is perfectly replaced, and there we go. Let's see how long this would last. Thank you.